Yeah, today is Thursday, 13th of June. Just got back from paying the bill for the technician to help me on my 310G backhoe. Call out fee, hours here, $583, which I think is pretty damn reasonable, to tell you the truth. So, in case you haven't been following, a major fuel delivery issue. My tank was completely fouled out on the bottom and had to be removed and professionally cleaned. My pickup screen inside the tank was completely fouled out. That comes as an assembly. It is the pickup screen, the return tube, and the tank level indicator. That's all been replaced. The fuel line from the tank to the lift pump. Lift pump, fuel line. That's been replaced. Lift pump's been replaced. New filter. Still wouldn't start. That's when I called in the John Deere construction technician. So, down there on that wiring harness you see some new looking white wiring. That's because it is new. He had a continuity issue he didn't like, so he put on a new section of wiring. This is your fuel inlet right here to the injection pump. Underneath this fitting here is another fuel screen to catch any contaminant. Eventually we found that, and that screen was fouled out. This thing is ice cold. It's ambient temperature. It hasn't started in 22 hours. If it starts right up, the problem is fixed. Throttle 1/3 open. It's 85 degrees, so no glow plug. Turned over 4 times and cranked up. I'd say she's fixed. What I'm going to do today, yesterday, I put in 1.5 ounces of Killam biocide to keep control of diesel slime. Modern diesel with basically no sulfur, plus it's biodiesel, will grow an algae called diesel slime, and Killam is the best treatment for it. So what I'm going to do, alternator working, 13.8 volts. I don't know why I have a battery light on. For some reason, I'm not getting my RPM indication, probably because I'm showing a battery fault. Let it run for a bit, and I know I'm at about 1240 RPM, maybe a little higher. I'm going to let it run until 12 noon. That's another 13 minutes. Help circulate the Killam biocide. This is a minor problem. I'm not particularly worried about it. So, yeah, the fuel issue has been corrected. I've already checked the radiator fluid, engine oil, all that good stuff. I got a 1/2 tank of diesel in it. My fuel gauge does work now. Before it didn't. But yeah, I'll let it run till 12 noon. She cranked right up, So we're on call the fuel problem fixed. I got my little stand set up inside my garden to put my sprinkler on, and we're in a bit of a drought. So I got the sprinkler out here in my grassy area. It's 3 positions to water the grass, and some of it's going to go on the street. That's all there is to it. But anyway, I'm going to water my grass. I don't want it to die on me. About 30 minutes per position would be plenty. Today I did turn on my little AC. Yesterday I washed my AC filters. So that's taken care of. I'll water the garden just a little bit. I got a bunch more tomatoes to pick. There's going to be more squash that hid from me too. But I'll water it just a little bit to see the setting I need on my sprinkler and if I got it in the right spot. So that's about it. Watering the grass.
Good.
Pretty good. How are you?
Good. Look good, man.
Thank you. Yeah, the local homeless people just love my garden. They always compliment me on it. There's 2 missions. There's a Salvation Army and another mission, and they go up there to get food during the day, and at night, if they're clean and sober, they can spend the night inside the Salvation Army building. Yeah. Watermelon, they're doing good. We might have one ready on July 4th. That one there. Another one there. There's more somewhere. Medium sized one over there. I could have swore I had one hanging off the wall the other day and I can't find it. Maybe it fell. Oh, there it is. Nice one hanging off the wall there. I thought it was over here. So, I don't know. There's 3 good ones and probably a dozen little ones in there. I got some bugs munching on my cabbage. I'll get my 7 dust, sprinkle them down, try to stay on top of that. Yeah, the heat index is supposed to be 104 today. I gotta mix up herbicide and spray more green stuff. But I didn't. Oh, there's another damn squash. I pick squash every day this week. And there's another one. I'll guarantee you there's 2 or 3 more hidden up in here that are probably getting very big. I'll guarantee it. My sunflowers, that's not a crop. I just planted them to see what happened. And look how pretty those things are. That came from a bag of birdseed. Crazy. My stand looks like it's leaning. The stand is square and plumb. It's where I got setting on the dirt. I didn't level it there yet. I just set it there. Yeah, I have a dozen cherry tomatoes for me to pick and munch on while I'm up here. This pepper's looking puny. It's being shaded by the sunflower, and it's got 1 pepper growing on it. I'll pick it and probably just pull the pepper plant because it's being shaded too much. Where'd he go? There it is. Little cherry tomato. Seriously, don't get no better than that. Tonight we're having homemade hamburgers with my tomatoes. I think we got some onion. It's gonna be a good dinner. So anyway, I'm getting kind of scorched. So let me go back inside in the AC while I'm watering. Turn the backhoe off in another 7 minutes. That's all for this one. Thank you.